In this video, I'm going to show you how to backwash and clean a pool sand filter.
How do you clean a Hayward sand filter? First thing you're going to do is you're going to look at the gauge. Now this particular one runs about 11. Most of the pools will run between 12 and 15 psi. So you want to get it to about 5 psi higher than whatever it's normally at. This one here, I'm going to wait till it probably gets about 18 to 20. And I'm going to backwash it. So you got to keep an eye on this, or if you can see the flow from the house, see how the flow is really good? When the flow disappears or starts slowing down, you know you need a backwash. But don't wait for that. But if you kind of look outside and see that slowing down, look at your gauge. For most above ground pool pumps, they're just in the back. If you have to unplug it, just unplug it. Then we're going to turn it. Right now it's on filter. Push down, spin. I'm going to put the backwash. Backwash opposite side. Make sure it's locked in. Turn the power back on. And wherever it comes out, your backwash should turn color. And even on your sight glass, just keep on going until it clears up a bit. There, it's really bad. I like to see the end part. Okay, we ran it for a bit. Turn the power off. Now the sand's going to be all messed up in there because we've been pushing it up. So we're going to turn it to rinse. What that does is just clears the system and settles the sand back down. And do that for about 5 seconds. Turn the power back on. After 5 seconds, turn the power off. Turn the dial back to filter. Locked in place. Turn the pump back on. And we got flow again.
Thank you for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever about backwashing or cleaning your filter, or any other questions about the Hayward filter, please reach out to me.